Assalamu alaikum.
Age in which our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got nubuwwah. Abu Bakr Ahmad.
40.
Name the grocery which known as black gold. Abdul Hasib.
Pepper.
What is the official flower of Kerala? Ayhan Mahir.
Kanikonna.
What is the official tree of Kerala? Ivan Adam.
Coconut.
Which surah is known as Sab'ul Mathani? Muhammad Ayhan.
Fatiha.
Which is the longest surah? Muhammad Alhan.
Suratul Baqarah.
What is the official fruit of Kerala? Muhammad Azan.
Jackfruit.
Whose birthday is celebrated as Children's Day? Muhammad Hemin.
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Which is the last month in Islamic calendar? Muhammad Zain.
Dhul-Hijjah.
How many days are there in a week? Aisha Maryam.
Aisha Kudgi. 7.
10th day of Muharram is called Aisha Shifa.
Ashura.
Which is the first month in Islamic calendar? Aiza Maryam. Which is the first month in Islamic calendar?
Muharram.
Name of the namaz which has qunut? Fatima Minha.
Salat al-Subh.
Smallest bird in the world? Khadija Mihra.
Hummingbird.
How many colors are in Indian flag? Which are they? Zahra Fatima.
3.
Which are they?
Orange, white, green.
Who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Fatima Minha.
Mukhyamantri.